Hello, sweet friends. Today is so stinking fun. This is a project that's been ongoing, so you're gonna see lots of different days that the team was in and out of this space. This is an entire apartment for two young college girls that are moving just in time for summer. We are finishing up their space. I'll just talk you through as we are at install today, but we did almost every single thing in this apartment to get them ready to move in. So let's see behind the scenes at Free Spirit Designs with renovating and design install. Scott needs to see what's inside of it. Nothing. That's a win. Why would you do that? Like, that's so random and silly. The worst part is gonna be trying to do the ceiling and make it match. Amazing. Caden, how's your first tear out job?
Pretty easy.
We are headed to the tile store, and they also have wood flooring. So I am going to pick tile out for that job. I need, as you saw, tile for both bathrooms and the kitchen backsplash, as well as flooring for throughout the entire house. So let's go into the floor club and see what we find. It's really important when you're choosing your flooring of any kind to take the samples into the house, into the lighting. So after I choose these today, I'm going to drive them back to the client house. I'll give them a couple choices, and then we will wait to hear from them on their final selections and get them ordered. See what Scotty Anthony's doing. Hey honey, you're doing great. You're busting it out.
Yep, there's some walls here too.
Oh no.
All those cats about anyway.
All the things you discover when you tear walls out. The tile tear out is complete. Now we just have to prep those walls by, well, tearing them completely out in order to put green board up. And then we will be tiling all the way to the ceiling. I never understood that, why builders stop here. I guess it's just cost reasons. Here is the second step of this bathroom gut job. Again, we're recycling the client's tub. Scott has put up new board. We've sprayed the walls with bleach. They were really moldy. Thankfully, the mold did not go inside. It was on the exterior, so that's a huge bonus. And let me show you what else has been gutted. The floor was not level, and we are laying floor, so he leveled out the floor with a floor leveler. All the doors and drawers have been removed in this kitchen so that we can refinish the cabinets. And this is the beauty of construction. These cabinets were not supposed to come out. But when he pulled the dishwasher out, there was mold everywhere. So to be safe, we pulled it all out for the client, sprayed everything with bleach. It's gonna dry out good, and then he'll put green board up. And my father is gonna build 2 new boxes because we are recycling just to save money for this project. We're recycling the doors and drawers and the boxes that weren't damaged or mildewed. You wanna tell us about this bathroom, guys?
It's a bathroom. It's a good bathroom.
So the vanity was torn out, and the good news is that the tile goes back far enough. So the linoleum that's here will get covered with the new vanity. What was here before?
Where, here?
Yeah, a plastic shower.
Shower, yeah, fiberglass.
Fiberglass. What are we doing in here?
Putting a new shower in, custom tile one. Yeah. Gonna put the floor in tomorrow.
Anything else? So Scott moved the plumbing. It was over here, right? And he had to move it to center it. This room has become a spray paint booth in order to refinish these cabinets. It's such a blessing that we have this space to do this. Progress, people. So exciting. Lots of progress. Here's the tile backsplash. And I love that they put scriptures and inspiring words throughout the girls' rooms and bathroom. Honey, how do you think this project's going?
Going great.
Silver for one bathroom, black for the other. It's always like Christmas on install. When I've been working on a project for months and then it's time to finally do all the pretty install stuff. I work on a lot of projects at once, so honestly, I forget what we order. And it's super fun. In this space where I'm standing, there'll be a new light. We're also hanging drapes, which I'll be ironing very soon. The wallpaper got installed by our team. The house was already actually painted, even though we can do interior painting. We only had to paint the bathrooms because that's where we were doing the big bulk of the project work. But they already had the whole house painted before in just a really beautiful creamy white. So totally works. And then Julia, the one I was telling you, is more of a maximalist. She had us paint, we did paint her room, and she picked this color. It's like bright, bright blue. It's a very happy color. Let's say you can't afford to do, an entire bathroom refresh. Just like I said earlier, a really great way to feel refreshed is to buy new hardware. Things like this, toilet paper holder, towel ring, hardware on your cabinets, paint the walls. You can get major impact with just those few little changes. We definitely need to change the light bulbs so that it's brighter in this space, but I just wanted to point out something. Even at your home, a way to get a little refresh in your bathroom is by changing out the hardware. In this space, even though this is a brand new vanity that we installed, the silver is not the metal that we went with. We're going with golds and blacks in here. So we're replacing all the silver knobs with new, beautiful gold ones. In this bathroom, we painted the walls, hung the wallpaper, pulled out the old vanity and put a new one in. We ended up keeping the floor tile because it was one way that we could save on cost for the client. It really isn't bad. It's just a neutral 12 by 12 square tile. And the shower, of course, is also all brand new. So beautiful. We got a new toilet for them. These girls are so blessed, and it's going to be so fun. See how they style their spaces. The bathrooms are the only rooms I'm finishing out as far as design goes because big girls are going to do the rest of the house themselves, which I think is amazing. But we did choose lighting and drapes throughout their homes so that that could be done. They'll have privacy as soon as they move in. And I'm excited for you to see the kitchen. That is one area that we saved money as well and made a huge impact with tile and refinishing their cabinets. It was also really fun for me to be working with two girls who are sisters who are very different in their style. So this room is Julia's, and she's more of a maximalist. She loves pattern, color. The funkier, the better for Julia. Whereas Valeria, her sister, was more clean and simple, but wait till you guys see the mural she chose for her wall. So beautiful. Here is the wall mural room I was telling you about. So amazing. And Valeria, you'll see Julia's light is super funky. Valeria was like, I need a fan. I don't blame her. So Scott is clearly installing her fan. Gotcha. So when you replace a regular door with a barn door, there's always trim surrounding the door. And so we had to retexture, and now Caden is just finalizing the finished work of the paint. Moving on to the shower curtain. It's no different than your draperies that go on your windows. You need to iron it. And again, this is another really affordable way to make an impact. Change out your shower curtain, switch out your hardware, paint your walls, maybe get a new mirror and light. All of that is super affordable comparing to gutting your bathroom. If you hate your floors, buy a larger rug to cover up the tile. And work with what you have. Caden Meeks, what are you doing?
Putting a paper towel over the lid so I don't splatter paint everywhere.
Yes, such a good home tip. Thanks for that.
Look at that beauty.
Let's see all the fun changes. So I'm pretty sure this is probably one of my most fun bathroom projects that I've ever gotten to work on. I've never had truly like a maximalist style client before, as young as this client was either. So it was so much fun. I want to hear from you guys what you love about this bathroom. But I also want to inspire you because remember, we didn't tear out the tile floor. We got a new vanity, we painted the walls, we did the wallpaper, right? All these new things, but truly, if you want to refresh your bathroom, you can paint the walls, paint your vanity, maybe get a new faucet, get a new mirror or a light. You can do all of these things truly on a very low budget. Now, the shower, we had to totally gut that, but let's just say you did one step at a time like the other bathroom. Let's talk about that one and see, we didn't tear out the tub and yet we still made huge impacts. Think about changing out your hardware on your vanity or maybe giving it a beautiful fresh coat of paint. Painting your walls is also a really great and very affordable, impactful way to change a small bathroom. Maybe just grab some new hand towels or bath mats. Even something as small as that can feel so refreshing in a space. With summer around the corner, bring in life. Grab a vase and put flowers at your sink all summer. Or grab a faux or real plant and bring life into your space that way. Maybe try hanging a shelf above the toilet and styling it in a new way. Or wallpaper, that's always a fabulous choice behind the vanity. And if you can afford it, well then great, let's do a total gut job. Otherwise, hopefully today you're inspired to know that you don't have to hire a contractor to give your bathroom a beautiful refresh. remember when there was a soffit here that came across. Now we've taken that out, open it up a little more, and look at the stunning tile. So impactful, and changing it to white, huge, huge impact. Kitchens can be a very expensive piece of a renovation. Well, we wanted to save this family money, so we simply refinished the kitchen cabinets. They look amazing and like brand new. Again, hardware. Also helped give them a little facelift. We ended up getting new countertops because if you remember all the rot that we found and the mold that we had to address when this came out. So the new countertops, love it with the new tile. Of course, tile backsplash. Again, if your cabinets don't go all the way to the ceiling, something super impactful, take your tile to the ceiling. Why not? Most people don't do that, and it's a really fun detail that can make huge impact. And tile install and tile, way less expensive than brand new cabinets. We kept the bathtub in this bathroom to save money, and the flooring. Everything else is new. Again, be inspired with new hardware, new paint, a new shower curtain. Something as simple as a new shower curtain in your bathroom can truly change the mood of the space. Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you loved this little project. It was so stinking fun, and these girls are moving in tomorrow, which is so exciting. I can't wait to see what they create with the rest of their space. It was a lot of fun being able to style out their bathrooms for them. I hope you were inspired. Tell me, what part of this new apartment for these girls, what was your favorite? The kitchen with the tile and I want to know what you thought made the biggest impact. So we have the kitchen refresh, the living room where we hung drapes, lighting, and wallpaper. Then we have the bedrooms where we just simply painted and did a wall mural, new lighting and drapes. Or the bathrooms where we gutted them minus the flooring. I would love to hear in the comments below. I love you guys. Cannot do this channel without you. So thank you for coming back each week. We are incredibly grateful. We love you. Have an amazing weekend. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so you can come back and be reminded every Thursday when we post a new video. Bye guys.